The Karen Reed trial will resume today after an extended break for the holiday weekend. Reed is accused of hitting her Boston police officer boyfriend with her SUV and leaving him for dead after a night of drinking in 2022. She has denied those accusations, and her legal team is alleging that she's being framed. CBS News Boston reporter Penny Kmitt has been covering this case from the beginning. She is joining us from outside the courthouse there in Dedham, Massachusetts. So tell us, Penny, the prosecution's case should be wrapping up soon. So who might we hear from later today and this week?
Yeah, it's crazy to think that the prosecution could be wrapping up their case this week. Karen Reed herself has told us that she believes this last witness is going to be their final witness. His name is Dr. Welcher. He's a crash reconstruction expert. He is not part of the state police. He had to be flown in by the prosecution. He's been a bit controversial. The defense was trying to exclude him from this trial. That did not work. And what we're expecting from him is to kind of tie all the pieces of evidence we've heard so far together and convince the jury from the prosecution standpoint that the only way John O'Keefe could have died is by Karen Reed hitting him with her car.
Now, we know there's been a ton of not just local but national attention on this case. There's people gathered outside the courthouse behind you. And I know that last week the judge decided to speak with jurors privately, but we didn't see any of them dismissed. So what do we know about what was discussed?
Well, the national and local interest of this case really can't be overemphasized. I mean, people come out here every single day to support Karen Reed. She drives by, says hi to all of her fans and her followers. When it comes to the jury, now there's no way for us to know for sure, right, what exactly happened, but the judge asked to meet with every single juror individually. There's 18 of them, one by one, totally privately with only the attorneys. And then when she brought them back in, two of them have switched seats. Again, we don't know why. And then she emphasized to the jurors that they cannot discuss the case with each other and certainly not outside of the courthouse. So again, we do not know exactly what their conversations were about, but it was interesting that the judge reemphasized, hey, you cannot discuss this case, not even with each other until deliberations.
Always interesting updates out of that courthouse. All right, Penny Kmitt, we'll keep connecting with you. Thanks very much.